Good morning. Welcome to e-learning classes of Learners Academy English School. Today we will study subject English Grammar, chapter number 10, Degrees of Comparison.
Children, now we will begin with degrees of comparison. Let us first see the definition. इसकी definition क्या होगी वो देख लेते हैं. Adjectives have three different forms to show degrees of comparison. It is used when we compare one person or thing with other. Children, we have already studied adjective. So let us revise it. So adjective is a word that describes a noun. जो noun को describe करता है उसे adjective कहते हैं. Now in degrees of comparison, adjective किस काम के लिए आते हैं? So adjective are used to compare one person or thing with other. ठीक है? Children, now we will see degrees of comparison. So there are 3 degrees of comparison. कितनी degrees हैं? 3 degrees of comparison. The first one is positive degree. The second one is comparative degree. The third one is superlative degree. By looking at the picture, we can see how the comparison is made between the bird, butterfly and the bug. The bird is small. The butterfly is smaller than the bird. And the bug is the smallest of all. Now we will learn in detail about the positive, comparative and superlative degree. Children, now we will learn about the positive degree. Positive degree, when we speak about only one person or thing, we use positive degree.
इसका मतलब है जब कभी भी हम एक इंसान या एक चीज़ के बारे में बात करते हैं तब पॉजिटिव डिग्री यूज़ करते हैं. लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड इट थ्रू एग्जाम्पल्स. द फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल इज़ दिस हाउस इज़ बिग. अब यहाँ एक ही घर की बात हो रही है, सो वी हैव यूज्ड अ एडजेक्टिव बिग. ही इज़ अ टॉल स्टूडेंट. यहाँ एक ही लड़के की बात हो रही है कि वो बहुत लंबा है, बाय द यूजिंग द वर्ड टॉल. दिस फ्लावर इज़ ब्यूटिफुल. यहाँ एक फ्लावर की बात हो रही है इसलिए हमने ब्यूटिफुल लिखा है. ही इज़ एन इंटेलिजेंट बॉय. हियर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट ओनली अ सिंगल बॉय, दैट ही इज़ इंटेलिजेंट. I hope this concept is clear to you all. Now we will move to the next degree, that is comparative degree.
Comparative degree is used when we compare two person or two things with each other with greater intensity of adjective. अब ध्यान से सुनना कि हम comparative degree कब यूज़ करते हैं? जब हम दो पर्सन या दो चीज़ों को कंपेयर करते हैं, उन दोनों के बीच में कंपैरिजन करते हैं, तब हम कंपैरेटिव डिग्री यूज़ करते हैं. नाउ लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड दिस थ्रू एग्जाम्पल. हम चलो एग्जाम्पल के ज़रिए समझते हैं सब चीज़ें. दिस हाउस इज़ बिगर देन दैट वन. अब यहाँ क्या हो रहा है कि दो घरों के बीच में कंपैरिजन हो रही है. तो कौन सा घर बड़ा है कि दिस हाउस इज़ बिगर देन दैट वन. He is smarter than his brother. अब यहाँ दो भाइयों के बीच में कंपैरिजन हो रही है. क्या बोला जा रहा है कि ये जो इंसान है वो अपने भाई से ज़्यादा स्मार्ट है. The next is he is more intelligent than that boy. Now यहाँ किसके बीच में कंपैरिजन हो रही है? दो लड़कों के बीच में कंपैरिजन हो रही है. कौन ज़्यादा इंटेलिजेंट है? The first person is more intelligent than the other person. Rose is more beautiful than Jasmine. अब यहाँ दो फ्लावर्स के बीच में कंपैरिजन हो रही है कि रोज़ जैस्मिन से ज़्यादा ब्यूटीफुल है. इज़ इट क्लियर कि जब कभी भी दो चीज़ों के बीच में या दो पर्सन के बीच में, व्हाट वी से इन इंग्लिश, व्हेन देयर इज कंपैरिजन बिटवीन टू पर्सन और टू थिंग्स विथ ईच अदर विथ ग्रेटर इंटेंसिटी ऑफ एडजेक्टिव, देन इट इज कॉल्ड कंपैरेटिव डिग्री. Now let us move to the next degree, that is superlative degree. Now अब हम इसे अच्छे से समझ लेते हैं. So children, what is superlative? So superlative is used when we want to compare more than two person or things and to show the greater intensity of adjective. जब दो से ज़्यादा person या चीज़ों के बीच में comparison होती है, listen to me carefully, जब दो से ज़्यादा चीज़ों और person के बीच में comparison होती है, then superlative degree will be used. Now let us understand it through examples. The first one is, this house is biggest house in the block. अब क्या बोले जा रहा है कि ये जो घर है वो सबसे बड़ा घर है पूरे ब्लॉक में, पूरे एरिया में. और यहाँ बिग वर्ड यूज़ हो रहा है जो एक एडजेक्टिव है. एडजेक्टिव हाउस को डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है कि ये सबसे बड़ा घर है. ही इज़ द मोस्ट इंटेलिजेंट स्टूडेंट इन द क्लास. नाउ a boy is told that he is intelligent. He is described using an adjective. एक adjective की यूज़ करके उस बॉय को डिस्क्राइब कर रहे हैं कि ये सबसे इंटेलिजेंट स्टूडेंट है क्लास में. रोज इज़ द मोस्ट ब्यूटिफुल गर्ल. रोज इज़ द मोस्ट ब्यूटिफुल गर्ल. हियर रोज सबसे सुंदर लड़की है. सो थ्रू दिस एग्जाम्पल्स we understood what is superlative degree. So till now students we studied 3 degrees of comparison. कौन कौन सी पढ़ी हमने? Positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Next we will see a table of formation of the comparative and the superlative degree.
The first rule in the table is add er or est. When we are using the adjective kind in the positive degree, we will say Ram is a kind boy. But when we are using kind in the comparative degree, we will add er. And the example is Ram is kinder than Sham, because we are comparing two person. When kind is used in the superlative degree, we add est at the end. And the sentence will be like Ram is the kindest of all. In the same way, if we are seeing sweet in the positive degree, but when sweet is used in the comparative degree, we will add er in the end. When sweet is used in the superlative degree, we will add est at the end. Children, now we will see the second rule. If the adjective already ends in e, then we will add only r or st. Look into the table. The word wise is used in the positive degree. When we will use the word wise in the comparative degree, we will add r to it at the end. When we will use the word wise in the superlative degree, we will add est at the end. Now if we see the next example, large. The word large is ending with e. When we will use the word large in the comparative degree, we will add r to it. And when we use large in the superlative degree, we will add est in the end. If the adjective ends in y, replace y with I. यहाँ क्या बोला है कि जब कभी भी कोई एडजेक्टिव y पे ख़त्म होता है, सो वी हैव टू रिप्लेस y विथ I. उसके जगह क्या लगा देना है? वी हैव टू ऐड I इन द प्लेस ऑफ y एंड देन ऐड er और est. Take an example, the adjective lazy. The lazy is ending with y alphabet. We have to remove y and add I in the comparative degree and then add er at the end. But when we are using the word lazy in the superlative degree, we will remove y and add I and then add est at the end. In the same way, when we are using the word heavy in the comparative degree, it will become heavier, and in the superlative degree, it will become heaviest. The fourth rule is, for short words ending with consonant sound, double the last letter and then add er or est.
Okay, the adjective fat is given. When we will use that word in the comparative degree, we will double the last word. Double the last word means हम T को 2 बार लिख देंगे and then we will add ER. In superlative degree, if we are using the adjective fat, then we will double the last word, that is T, and add EST, and it will become fattest. Now let us see another example. If the adjective is big, then in the comparative degree it will become bigger, and in the superlative degree it will become biggest. Another example, red, then it will become redder, and in the superlative degree it will become reddest. Now in the fifth rule, children, we will see that for the adjective of more than 2 syllables, add more or most before the word.
नाउ चिल्ड्रन, व्हाट इज सिलेबस? तो सिलेबल्स एक वर्ड होता है जिसमें वावल्स का साउंड होता है. टेक एन एग्जाम्पल, ब्यूटिफुल. सो ब्यूटिफुल में आई एक वावल है. Whenever we use the adjective beautiful in comparative degree, we will add more before the word. But when we will use the word beautiful in the superlative degree, we will add most before the word beautiful. So it will be like beautiful, more beautiful, and most beautiful. In the same way, if we see another example, the word difficult is there. Then in the comparative sentence it will become more difficult. In the superlative degree it will become most difficult. Children, you have to learn this table because it will be helpful to you in the sentence formation.
Children, now in the next topic we will learn about regular and irregular adjectives. Now, if the comparative and the superlative forms of an adjective can be formed in the same ways shown earlier by adding ER or EST, or by putting more or most before the adjective is called regular adjective. अब यहाँ क्या बोला गया है कि हमने जो लास्ट टेबल में पढ़े कि जब कभी भी हम कोई भी वर्ड्स ER या EST लगा के बनाते हैं या मोर या मोस्ट ऐड करते हैं बिफोर द एडजेक्टिव, देन इट इज़ कॉल्ड रेगुलर एडजेक्टिव. If the comparative and the superlative forms of an adjective cannot be formed in the way shown earlier, the adjective is called irregular adjective. इसका मतलब है कि जब कभी भी हम comparative और superlative form of adjective को पहले वाली तरीके से नहीं बना सकते, ER और EST ऐड करके नहीं बना सकते, तो उसे हम irregular adjective कहते हैं. Now again we will see a table. There are some examples of irregular adjectives and their change of degrees. Now we have a table showing positive, comparative and superlative degree. When there is a word good, in the comparative degree it will become better, and in the superlative degree it will become best. If there is the word bad in the positive degree, then in the comparative degree it will become worse, and in the superlative degree it will become worst. Now the adjective little in the positive degree will become less in the comparative degree and least in the superlative degree. Another example, if we have adjective far in the positive degree, then in the comparative degree it will become further or farther, and in the superlative degree it will become farthest. If the word much is there, then in the comparative degree it will become more, and in the superlative degree it will become most. In the positive degree, the word or the adjective is old, then in the comparative degree it will become older or elder, and in the superlative degree it is become oldest या eldest.
Children, now I hope this concept is clear to you. If you have any doubts, then all your doubts will be cleared in the doubts clearing session. Thank you and have a nice day.